Hello, everyone. I'm Teacher Juzi. Welcome back to this course. Is your life filled with business, stress, conflicts, plans, and considerations leading to emotions and physiological issues such as anxiety, depression, anger, insomnia, and bodily pain? Are you constantly dwelling on past mistakes, dealing with present matters, planning for the future while overlooking the essence of life itself and the experience of the present moment? Do you often feel empty, numb, unable to find joy and happiness in life once their business ceases, and even at certain moments question why you are living? Let me tell you, such a dreamlike way of living contradicts the goal you strive for, high happiness and fulfillment. If you know fully present in the moment, not only will you miss out on the most precious things in life, but you also fail to realize your own growth and transformation. Hello, everyone. In this course, I merely discuss how human thoughts and consciousness are formed, how intentions arise using comprehensive explanations from Chinese Toast culture. I delve into how human thoughts and consciousness are formed and how we should maintain mindfulness. Mindfulness, some people think it means quiet thoughts, but in fact, mindfulness is about being aware of one's great state. Moreover, thinking too much is also related to emotions. Similarly, maintaining mindfulness towards emotions and thoughts will decrease the aggressiveness. Human thoughts and ideas are formed by the combination of the six senses, six objects, and six consciousnesses. The six senses refer to eye sense, ear sense, nose sense, tongue sense, body sense, and mind sense. Sense implies group, just as plants have roots that can explore branches. Consciousness arises from the senses. Having six senses enables the arising of six consciousnesses. The six objects refer to visual objects, auditory objects, olfactory objects, gustatory objects, tactile objects, and mental objects. The six kinds of external environment encountered by the six senses are also called the six objects. Objects imply contamination, meaning the six kinds of external environment can propose the purity of people's mind. The six consciousnesses refer to eye consciousnesses, ear consciousnesses, nose consciousnesses, tongue consciousnesses, body consciousnesses, and mind consciousnesses. They are the functions of seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching, and thinking generated by the six senses in response to the six objects. So, Equals merely aims to elucidate how human thoughts and consciousness are formed. They will help you maintain mindfulness. I really hope you found this course valuable, but either way, please leave a review and share your experience.